everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voike. So in today's video, I'm going to review this Z-Block sunscreen from Ethicare Remedies. Now, I don't know whether it is pronounced as Z-Block or Z-Block, but I'll go with Z-Block because it sounds much cooler. Now this sunscreen contains 25% of zinc oxide, and I am particularly a fan of mineral sunscreens. I do prefer a mineral sunscreen more over the chemical sunscreen because it really works well on my skin. Now in almost all of my videos I have stressed this part that you have to wear a good sunscreen during the daytime because sun protection is very necessary. Now whenever you are investing in a good sunscreen, remember that you have to check for these points, that it should be a broad spectrum sunscreen, it should have an SPF more than 30, as well as it should be water resistant. Sunscreen helps in protecting the skin in the long run because these UV rays are really harmful to the skin. Applying a good sunscreen every day can help your skin in protecting from harmful sun rays. It can help your skin from getting early signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. It can also help in preventing your skin from getting dark spots or blemishes. And if you're using any kind of actives or retinoids in your skincare, make sure that you are using a very good sunscreen and you are reapplying it after every 2 hours because it will give maximum and optimum protection to your skin. Now zinc oxide is one of the best sun protectors which is available, which helps in blocking most of the UVA and the UVB rays. Now apart from the sun protection, zinc oxide also helps in calming irritated skin. It also helps in reducing inflammation on the skin and reduces bacterial infection. Personally, I have experienced the reduction in size of the acne as well as less breakouts after using any zinc oxide mineral sunscreen. Now this sunscreen comes in a cardboard packaging like this. It has PA++ and has both UVA as well as UVB coverage. It has SPF 50+. The sunscreen is water resistant and is paraben free. 50 ml of the product retails for 699 rupees. Now the product comes in an opaque tube and you have to shake it really nicely before taking out the product in your palm. The sunscreen has a smooth and silky feel to it due to the presence of silicones. Personally, I do love a silicone based product in my skincare because it gives a very smooth and silky finish to the skin, and it also acts as an occlusive which makes a breathable skin barrier on the skin, and it also helps in preventing transepidermal water loss. Now because of the presence of silicones in it, the sunscreen really glides on very smoothly. It will give a kind of white cast at first, but after few minutes it just gets nicely absorbed into the skin. I won't say that it gives a matte finish, it gives a semi-matte finish, a dewy finish to the skin. And if you are in the habit of applying a BB cream or a foundation on top of it, it will give a nice smooth primer-like finish to your skin. Now whenever applying the sunscreen, remember one thing, that you have to apply it 30 minutes before stepping out in the sun, and then it is recommended that you have to apply the sunscreen after every 2 hours. I will not recommend this sunscreen for very oily skin type because it does contain silicone oil and it leaves kind of dewy finish to your skin. So it does not give a proper matte finish, and it can lead to more oil production in certain skin types. One negative point of this product is it contains artificial fragrance, but it is the second last ingredient of this product, but the smell is not overpowering. Now obviously I won't recommend this product to sensitive skin people who are allergic to perfume or artificial fragrance, or to people who are allergic or sensitive to silicone based products. But if you like that kind of silicone-y, silky finish on your skin and it works really well for your skin, so you can give this one a try. While using this product, I have not experienced any kind of clogging of pores or excessive oiliness on my face, and it also didn't make my makeup really cakey or anything like that. It gave a smooth finish to my skin. Just remember one thing, that you can skip 1 or 2 serums, but don't ever skip a sunscreen during the daytime because it is very important. Invest in a good sunscreen and protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. I'll put on the complete ingredient list as well as the purchase link of the sunscreen in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out. So this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.